Okay, 0.2 times 0.3. So the decimal, multiply the digits first of all. So 2 3s are 6. So that's the digit in the answer, 6. And then I got two numbers after the decimal point. So I need two numbers after the decimal point in my answer. So I'm going to have to have a naught in front of the 6 before the decimal point. So it's 0.06. Okay, line up this subtraction, lining up the decimal point. So 5.1, 3.26. And where I got a gap, put a 0. And then do the subtraction. Nothing take away 6, you can't do, so you need to borrow. So that 1 becomes a 0, this becomes a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. Nothing take away 2, you can't do, so you need to borrow. Borrow from the 5, which becomes a 4, that becomes a 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. Decimal point in line, 4 take away 3 is 1. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 2. So let's work these two values out separately first of all. So 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times itself 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 5 to the power of 2, that means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And it's asking me here to times these two answers together. So 8 times 25 or 25 times 8. That's an easier way to write it round. 5 times 8 is 40. Naught down carry 4. 2 times 8 is 16. And 4 is 20. So 2 naught. So the answer 200. Write down the following numbers, just two significant figures. Right, two significant figures means the first two numbers I come to, I have two of those, and anything else either I have to replace with noughts, or if it's after the decimal point I don't need the noughts. Okay, so the first one has a decimal point in, so that's the 5 is the first significant figure, the 1 is the second. So dotted line after the second. I look at the number after the dotted line, it's a 3, so it's less than 5, so it doesn't affect the 1. So the digits are 5.1, and I don't have to put any, or you shouldn't put any noughts after that, because they would count as significant figures if I put the noughts in after the decimal point. So 5.1 is the answer there. This one, 4,762. 4 is the first significant figure, 7 is the second. Dotted line. Look at the number after the dotted line is a 6. So that's 5 or more, so increases the 7 to an 8. So the digits there would be 4 and an 8. Now then, you must know the size of the number mustn't be altered. So this number, when I read it, is 4,762. So my answer has to be 4,000 and something. So I add two noughts there to make the size of the number the same. And I only have two non-zero digits in my answer.